Hi everybody, today I have for you a tutorial on this beautiful smoked out liner look, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my Scott Barnes contour palette, and I'm picking up the shades Carved and Diced, just like that, tapping off any excess shadow, and I'm just going to pop that in my crease. This eye look is going to be a little different. I'm trying just a new technique. I've never done this before. I've never done a look like this. So basically it's just going to be like a smoked out winged liner. Well, it's not even like a liner though. It's just like smoked out wing, okay? So yeah. So I'm just going to define my crease a little bit with these contour colors. Just like that. I'm going to be dipping into my ABH Norvina Volume 4 palette. I'm going to start out with the shade D5. Pick that up on like an angled brush, just like that. I'm going to kind of start from, well, I'm not even going to put any eyeshadow there, but I'm going to kind of mimic the line that I'm going to draw from my under eye. I'm just going to start building that shadow. Just like that. Next palette I'm going to be picking up is my Omrizi palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade 1988. So I'm just going to pick it up on an angled brush, start creating that winged eyeliner. And then you're going to want to go back in with that same shadow brush, or like the angled one, with that orangey color, and just go right over it to blend it out. You should end up with something like that. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is dip into this shade right here, which is A4. And I'm just picking that up on a fluffy brush. This one's from Morphe. And I'm just going to hit that crease just to give it a little more definition. But I'm not bringing it, I'm just focusing like on the inner crease right here in this area. My God, it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Next palette I'm going to be dipping into is my Natasha Denona Gold palette. Oh, it's broken. I forgot. So we're going to have to be careful with her. That shade broke. It ended up falling out, which I'm really sad about. But anyway, I'm going to go in with this sparkly shade right here. And I'm just going to put that like right here. Other side. Oh, shit. Don't you hate it when you put it in the wrong shade? Like I just dipped this brush into a brown shade. Pretty upset about it. A little bit more because I really love glitter. Kind of pack that on right here. So pretty. Love that. So since we're here, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Omrizi highlighter and apply that to my brow bone. Just like that. I'm also going to go ahead and apply some right in the inner corner as well. Cool. So I think I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line with that same orange color. So I'm not picking up any more product on my brush, but I'm just going to run that under there. Okay guys, so now moving on to my face. I have already prepped it with some moisturizer, but I'm feeling a little extra dry, so I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit more. I just used this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. That's it. A couple drops of that. Forgot to wipe off the fallout, but that's okay. We'll just rub it in. So I did this technique the other day. I forgot which makeup artist. Oh, it was Harouche. So Harouche did JLo's makeup and basically did like contour, highlight, foundation, contour, highlight, like over and over again. And I really like the way that looks. I did it the other day in my last tutorial, so we're gonna go ahead and do that again. Picking up a Fenty Beauty matchstick. This is in the shade Truffle, excuse me. And I'm just going around my forehead. You're gonna look crazy, but don't, trust the process, trust the process. I like to bring mine down. Like that. I think my face is fatter on this side. I don't know. Anyway, and then just a couple dots around the jawline. So I'm just going to pick up this Duke hair brush and buff everything out. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm going to go into my Laura Geller Eye Lip and Cheek palette, and I'm picking up the middle bronzy shade. And I'm basically just going over these same areas. I know I look like an Oompa Loompa, but believe me, just trust the process. When I tried this earlier this week, I was like, what the fuck? Like, this is crazy. I look insane. But then, like, if you just trust the process, just do your thing, and I promise you, it comes out looking amazing. So, okay. So there's that. I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go ahead and pick up, what concealer? Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue. And I'm just going to put that on my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, and a little bit underneath the contour that I did. So I'm just gonna pick up this brush and just buff everything out. Right, so basically we're going to do this whole process over again. So just lightly with whatever product, cream product you used, I just like to get some on my brush, and I go back. And then one more time with the concealer. So now you're gonna wanna pick up any medium coverage foundation. I'm gonna go in with a couple different ones. So they're both from Tarte. Base Tape Foundation as well as the Found Sealer. And I'm gonna go in with this beauty sponge. This is from Reza Lashes or Reza Beauty. Actually, let me clarify that. Okay, so this beauty sponge is on rezalashes.com. It's one of the best sponges I've ever used. I love it so much. It's really dirty, don't mind it. But anyway, so I'm just gonna pick that up on a beauty sponge and just marry everything together. So I'm just gonna go over everything. I'm gonna go ahead and spray myself with a layer of setting spray. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. Don't pick up anything else on your bronzer brush that you use for your cream contour and bronzer, but like whatever's left, just kind of go over that. Bring it back to the surface a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let that foundation kind of settle in a little bit, and I'm going to finish up my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that orange shade from the Norvina Volume 4 palette. Whoop. I'm just going to drag that under here. Cool beans. All right. I'm gonna continue to just let my face do its thing, and I'm gonna complete my eyes. So I'm gonna put lashes on, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara too. So I'm first gonna curl my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna be picking up the Tarte Gifted Mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my bottom lashes as well. Okay guys, for lashes today, sorry they're like not connected, but these are the Reza lashes in the style Cult. Go ahead and apply these with my Duo Clear Lash Glue. So now I'm just going to get a black pencil and tight line my waterline. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead and apply some translucent powder. I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush. This is just a Real Techniques fluffy brush. Okay guys, now I'm going to dip back into my Scott Barnes contour palette, just on an angled brush, and I'm picking up those same two shades that we put in the crease, which are carved and diced. And starting back from my hairline, I'm going to work that forward. So next I'm going to pick up my Phase Zero, what is this, Blush and Bronzer Trio. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this orangey coral blush right here. Okay, and now I'm going to dip into, this is just a Kylie Cosmetics blush. I believe the shade name is Cheers. And I'm just going to run that in the same place. So next I'm just going to get this sponge, it's a dry one, and pack some translucent powder on it. I'm just going to really carve out that cheek area, that under cheek area, just to really sharpen it up. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit there and bake for a minute. So while it's just kind of chilling, I'm gonna pick up that same Phase Zero palette, but this time I'm gonna pick up the bronzer. I'm just gonna marry the bronzer and contour and blush together. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Kylie Cosmetics Kai Brow Gel Liner. My Kai Brow Eyebrow Gel. I really have been loving this brow gel. Just because it's like clear, but it really holds down your hairs and it leaves like a glisten in them. And it just makes them look so good in pictures. Oh, motherfucker, scared the shit out of me. So next I'm going to be picking up the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Salty. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that. And blend it in. And I'm going to go back in with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner. And just kind of blend that in like that. And then I do want to go over it one more time with another liquid lipstick. This is from Il Makiage, and this is the Matte Chill. It just gives it like a really pretty warm pinky tone. And so it doesn't look all crusty and dry. I'm going to pick up my Laneige lip mask. I don't know how to pronounce that, but we're going to go with that. Apply some of that so that your lips look hydrated and they don't look all crusty and gross. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I think it came out so pretty. I would definitely wear this every day. I think it's just a very glam, pretty look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave your comments down below. Nothing negative because you'll make me cry. Just kidding. But yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching and I love you.